close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands.
Hello guys, sa video ito ay papakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-calculate ng 4x4 determinants sa easiest way na pinakamadaling paraan na alam ko. Since may isa lang tayong element different from 0 on column 1, mag-a-apply tayo ng general formula using this column. The cofactors corresponding to the element which are 0 don't need to be calculated because the product ng ito of them and these elements will be 0. Three, two, 0, 0, 0, 1, 3, 3, negative 1, 3, 3, 3, 1. Let's cross out. Is equals to 4, 1, 3, 1 plus negative 1, 1 times 3 plus 3, negative 3 plus 3 minus 3, 3 plus 3, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1 apply negative 3 1 equals to 4. 3 minus 7 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 4. Multiply by negative 60 is equals to negative 240. To modify rows to have more zeros, we operate with columns and vice versa. We will pick a row or column containing the element kasi we can obtain any number through multiplication naman. Right lang, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 0, negative 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1. We notice that there meron dalawang elements equals to 0 on row 2. So we only make one other 0 in order to calculate only the cofactor of 1. C. 4, 3, 2, 8, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, negative 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 7 was equals 4, 3, 2, 8, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, negative 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 7. Cross out. Is equals to 1 plus 2. Copy lang natin yung mga natitira sa loob ng terminal, sa loob natitira. 4, 2, 8, 1, 2, 1, equals 4 times 3 times 7 plus 1, 1, 8 plus 2, 2, 1 minus 8 times 3 times 2 plus 1 times 1 times 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1. So it is equals 4 times 3 times 7 is equals to 84. 4 times 3 times 7, 84 plus 1 times 1 times 8 is equals to 8 plus 2 times 2 times 1 is equals to 4. So minus 8 times 3 times 2 is equals to 48. 48. 8 times 3 times 2 is 48 minus 4 minus 14 is equals to 30. So yung ating final answer is 30.
So let's proceed to our example, 4x4 example. So for this given is, let's have this given 2, 1 and 2, 1, 4, 4, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, and 1. So, para malaman natin determinant is, pagsasamay lang natin itong first term na to and then the second. And then following 2 and 1. Hanggang sa matapos natin hanggang sa 2 and 5. And then after that, let's proceed. 1 pa rin yung gagamitin natin. Pero dito naman tayo sa third row. 2 naman. Bali 1, 2. And then 2, 4. And then 4, 1. And then 2 and 6. And so on and so forth. And then sa next is 1 and 1, and then 2 and 4, and then 4 and 3, and then 2 and 1. Ano na lang. So let's proceed. For this, we will have 1 and 2, 1 and 2, then 2 and 1, 2 and 1, and then 1 and, let's just rewrite 1 and 2 again. 1 and 2, and then 4. Let's proceed to 4 since 2 and 1 is done. 4 and 2, 4 and 2, and then rewrite again 1 and 2, and then 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Yan. And then, ganun din sa susunod. But, we're going to use the third row. So, 1 and 2 again. 1 and 2. 2 and 4. Third row. 2 and 4. And then, just rewrite 1 and 2. And then 4 and 1. 4 and 1. And then, 1 and 2. And then, 2 and 6. And for the last one, 1 and 1. So 1 and 1, then 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Then rewrite 1 and 1, 1 and 1, 4 and 3. 4 and 3, and then 1 and 1 again, 1 and 1. And then 2 and 1. Yeah. So what are we gonna do next is we're just gonna cross multiply them. For example, this cross multiply and subtract. For example, this 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. We're just gonna cross multiply and then subtract. So that is negative 3. And then we're just gonna do the same process with the others. Then this is 2 minus 8 is negative 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. And then 4 minus 4, that's 0. And then 1 minus 8, that's negative 7. And then 6 minus 4, that's 2. And then 4 minus 2, that's 2 also. And then 3 minus 4, negative 1. 1 minus 2 equals to negative 1. Yan. So, proceed tayo sa next step. Bali, rewrite lang natin siya. This one, rewrite lang natin. Eto. So, negative 3, 0, 2, negative 6, negative 7, negative 1, 1, 2, and 1. Yan. And then, ganun lang din ang gagawin natin. But this time, mas konti na siya. Sa 3 rows na lang tayo. So, ganun lang din. Negative. Huwag niyo pa lang kalimutan yung 1 over negative 3 n minus 1. Ayan. So, ang n natin dito is yung row nila. So, ay, nagpalaki. Ganun lang din, kamukha ng ginawa natin dito. Negative 3 and 0. And negative 6 and negative 7. And then, copy negative 3 and 0. And then 1 and 2. And then next is negative 3 and 2 naman tayo. Negative 3 and 2. And then negative 6 and negative 7. I'm sorry. Negative 1, negative 1. This is negative 1. Negative 1, 6 and negative 7. Third row na pala tayo. And then negative 3, 2, and then 1 and 1. Ayan. So, kamukha lang din nito. I-cross multiply natin sila and then subtract. So, for this one, 21 minus 0. So, meron tayong 21. And then, 6 minus 0 is 6. And then 3 minus negative 12 is 15. And then 3 minus 2 is 1. After that, apat na lang yung natitira sa values natin. So, i-cross multiply natin yan. No? Bale, 21 and then 9. So, we're down to our last step. We're gonna get the value of this 2. So, 21 minus 90 equals negative 69. So, we're gonna bring down this 1 over negative 3. N is 3 minus 1. So, we don't really have to put it down here, the 1. That's automatic. And remember, this is constant. This is constant. I mean negative 2. The negative 2, that's constant. And now, we're gonna do is, this is equals to negative 69, right? Negative 69. So, we're just gonna multiply it to negative 69. Yeah. So, we're down to our final answer is 23. So, this is how you do it. Check.